Have you ever noticed how some men seem to stay with a woman long after they've gone, while others disappear without a trace? It's not about flashy gestures or empty words. It's about the unspoken energy he brings into the space, the way his steadiness leaves an imprint on her mind. In a world where many are chasing attention, seeking approval, the man who remains grounded stands out. He doesn't strive to be remembered, he simply is, and that calm confidence becomes unforgettable. So what is it about him that sticks? Today, let's dive into the 7 qualities that shape a man into someone who leaves a lasting mark, starting with the power of unwavering purpose. Picture this: a man whose life isn't about fleeting pleasures or immediate gratification. He's guided by a deeper mission, something that keeps him moving even when others might falter. Each day he rises with intention, his focus sharp and steady. Whether he's building a skill, pursuing a vision, or leading a cause, there's a purpose that anchors his every action. And she notices it. He doesn't drop his path for the next distraction. That consistency pulls her in, because in a world that shifts constantly, he represents something solid. Like a tree rooted deep in the earth, he stays grounded, and that stability calls her closer. Now think about the power of letting go. Life will always bring its share of setbacks, disagreements, and moments of hurt. But this man, he lets go quietly. He doesn't hold grudges. He doesn't try to make anyone pay for their wrongs. Instead, he releases, choosing peace over bitterness. Imagine a situation where the pressure rises. Instead of reacting with anger or frustration, he takes a deep breath and chooses to understand. This isn't about weakness, it's about strength. The strength to rise above the small things that could otherwise weigh him down. That ability to walk away from resentment is something she'll never forget, because it's rare and refreshing in a world so often full of conflict. Then there's the quiet art of listening. In a world where everyone's shouting to be heard, this man listens. Not just hears, but truly listens. When she speaks, he's not thinking about what he's going to say next, or how he can make his point. He's present. He allows the words to land, and in that silence, something meaningful happens. It's like standing next to a calm, clear lake where everything around you just settles. The stillness becomes a gift, a space for her to feel truly seen and understood. This attention, this patience, it builds trust, and with trust comes a deep connection. Now picture him in the midst of chaos. When the world around him spins, when things go wrong, when emotions run high, he remains steady. His composure is the anchor. He doesn't shout, doesn't react impulsively. Instead, he takes a moment, breathes, and responds from a place of calm. Imagine a storm raging outside, but inside, he's like a solid wall, unshaken by the winds. That kind of composure makes her feel safe. She knows that with him, she doesn't have to worry about things getting out of control. That calm becomes a refuge she can always return to. Next, there's the quiet strength of walking away with dignity. When the paths diverge, he doesn't fight to keep her in his life. He doesn't beg. He doesn't argue. He simply acknowledges the end, wishes her well, and moves on. It's not defeat. It's a quiet kind of mastery. That kind of peace unsettles her because it's so rare. She's used to people clinging to people, trying to manipulate outcomes. But him, he lets go gracefully. And that quiet strength is unforgettable. And finally, there's the harmony he brings into any space. When he's around, the atmosphere shifts. It's not because he demands attention, but because his presence creates a feeling of balance. Drama fades away. Tension dissolves. She begins to associate him with calm, with peace, with feeling good about being herself. Where once conversations felt heavy, now they feel light and natural. He becomes someone she can count on for that sense of ease. When you bring all these qualities together, purpose, the grace to release, the art of listening, the composure under pressure, the quiet dignity in parting, and the calm he creates, you begin to understand what makes a man unforgettable. It's not the loudest or the flashiest who leave a lasting impression. It's the one who embodies balance, who remains true to himself, who brings peace instead of chaos. That's the man who stays in her thoughts long after the rest fade into the background. So, here's something to think about. What qualities do you want to be remembered for? Reflect on the moments where you felt your truest self, and ask yourself, how can you show up with more of that in your life? Drop a comment with what resonates most with you, and share it with someone who needs this reminder. Stay tuned for more insights on living with purpose, peace, and strength.